All right, guys, welcome back. Get number one here. We're going to balance the following redox reactions by the half method. All right. And so first, we've got manganese. Do oxidation states. Manganese is +2. Here, manganese is +4. So the oxidation is going to be manganese. And we got oxygen is -2 here. And here, oxygen is -1 because hydrogen is +1. All right. And so our oxidation, we're in basic solution. It goes to Mn2 plus going to MnO2 plus 2 electrons. All right. And we got to have, what, 2 waters, 2H2O, which makes it 4H plus, which we don't like that, so we're at 4OH minus. All right, let's see. Hopefully that works. Reduction. H2O2 plus some electrons going to H2O. And I need a 2 there. Now 2 oxygens. It should be 2 electrons. All right. Let's see. We got 2 oxygens, 4 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens. So we're going to do 2H plus 2OH minus plus 2OH minus. All right, let's see here. Does that work? I think it works. Let's add them up. So I have 2 waters plus 4 hydroxides plus manganese 2 plus 2 more waters plus hydrogen peroxide plus 2 electrons going to manganese 4 oxide plus 2 electrons plus 4 more waters plus 2 more waters plus 2 hydroxides. All right, canceling. No, it didn't change color. Sorry, didn't change color. I got electrons gone, water 6, 2 and 2 gone. I got 4 and 2, so this is now 2. That's gone. Hydroxide 4, 2. That's gone. 2. All right, let's see here. Overall, we have 2 hydroxide plus manganese 2 plus hydrogen peroxide going to manganese 4 oxide and 2 waters. All right. Whew. Not bad. Let's look at the next one. Bismuth. All right, so bismuth is changing. We got 3 plus here, and we got 0. All right, and then we have, let's see, so oxygen is -2, that's a -4, equals -2, so that would be a +2. All right, and then we have -2, -2, -6, +4. All right, so our reduction would be who? BiOH3, bismuth 3 hydroxide, plus some electrons going to bismuth. Well, how many electrons? It looks like 3. And then I can just add 3OH minus because we are in basic solution. And now my reduction's good. Oxidation. SnO2 minus. So I guess that would be 10,2 peroxide. Going to SnO3 2 minus plus how many electrons? Well, I think it's 2 electrons. All right, let's see. I think we have to do what? Got 2 oxygens, 3 oxygens, so I need a H2O over here. Plus 2 2H plus, which is 2OH minus, because I just do it at the same time. All right, and it looks like we have to do a 2 here and a 3 there to make this work. All right, so 2BiOH3 plus 6 electrons plus 3 waters plus 6 hydroxides plus 3 SNO2 2 minus. Going to 2 bismuths plus 6 more hydroxides plus 3 SNO3 2 minus plus 6 electrons plus 6 more waters. All right. Woo. All right, our electrons are gone. Good. Waters, I got 3 on the left and 6 on the right. So these 3 are gone, and we're left with 3. 6 hydroxides there, 6 hydroxides. I think they're both gone. And I think that's it. So 2BiOH3 plus 3SNO2 2 minus, going to 2Bi plus 3SNO3 2 minus plus 3H2O. All right, there we go. I like it. Couple more to do. C. Acidic solution. All right, dichromate. What do we got here? -2 and +6. Oxalate, -2. And if we need to do the bottoms, there we go. So my reduction, or our reduction, would be chromium. Cr2O7 2 minus plus some electrons going to Cr3 plus, 2 of them. Well, it's a 6 electron transfer because there's 2 chromiums, and I have 7 electrons, so that means I need 7 H2O and 14 H pluses. And I think we're good on that one. The oxidation, however, what we got here, we got C2O4 2 minus going to CO2, 2 of them, plus some electrons. How many electrons? 2 electrons, right? Because each carbon gives 1. All right, so I have 4 and 4. Is that good? That looks good. All right. I think all we need to do is multiply the bottom one by 3. Let's add them up, see what we get. 14H plus 02O7 2 minus plus 6 electrons plus 3 oxalates going to 2 chromium 3s plus 7 waters plus 6 carbon dioxides plus 6 electrons. Let's eliminate. Electrons work out. That's it, isn't it? All right. So overall, we got 14H plus. It's not asking for state symbols, but I'll put them in this one. All right. Oh, D. All right, oxidation states. My minus 1, 0. Minus 2, 6 plus 5 plus 5. And then 0. All right, we got two different chlorines here. We got this chlorine and we got this chlorine. All right, let's do this. Reduction. Looks like we go from plus 5 to plus 4. ClO3 minus plus an electron goes to ClO2. And then we would need to do what? Add H2O, and I would have 2 H pluses. All right, I think that's what we got there. Our oxidation would be 2 Cl minuses going to Cl2 plus 2 electrons. So I think we just have to double the top. All right, so that means we have 4H plus 2 ClO3 minus 2 chlorates plus 2 electrons plus 2 chlorides, yielding 2 chlorine dioxides plus 2 waters plus Cl2 and 2 electrons. Electrons are good. I think that's it. Not bad. 4H plus. Well, they're not worried about state symbols. Well, we can put them in there. Plus 2 ClO3 minus plus 2 Cl minus 2 ClO2 all right. Fantastic. I think we have one more. Another one in acidic conditions. All right, so what do we have here? We have minus 1 plus 5. So bismuth is plus 5 to bismuth plus 3. So that would be a reduction. Manganese plus 2 to manganese 7. Oxidation. So in the reduction, we got BiO3 minus plus a couple electrons will go to bismuth 3 plus. And then we have 3 H2Os, which means we need 6 H pluses. All right. Moving on to the oxidation. We got Mn2 plus, manganese 2, going to permanganate. And that looks like 2 to 7, 5 electrons. Wow. All right. 4 H2O here, and plus 8 H pluses. Okay. Looks like we have to do 2 and 5, so top one's multiplied by 5, and the bottom one's multiplied by 2. Let's see here. 6 times 5 would be 30 H pluses, plus 5 BiO3 minus, plus 10 electrons, plus 8 H2O, plus 2 Mn2 plus. Then we have 5 bismuth 3 plus 5 times 3 is 15 H2O, plus 2 permanganates, plus 10 electrons, plus 16 H pluses. Okay, wow. Let's do some canceling. Our electrons are gone. Let's see here. Waters, I got 15 and 8. H plus 16 and 30. I think that's it. So 14 H plus 5 5BiO3 minus plus 2Mn2 plus 5Bi3 plus 7H2O plus 2MnO4 minus. Whew! There we go. Well, hopefully that works for you guys. If you have questions, reach out. All right? And otherwise, we'll see you for problem 2. Take care.